Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric. Today I'm doing a setup video for totwoo's new connected bracelets. This is the Morse Love. Allows you to send a Morse code of love message between you and your significant other or just a family member or friend, someone you love. You can send them a little love in Morse code. Now, key thing to remember, these two bracelets do not talk directly to each other. If I could be at home and my spouse could be at work miles away and these could actually talk to each other, well, that would be technology that doesn't really exist, not as far as in a little bracelet form like this. And so, yeah, if they could do that, they would be making billions and billions and billions of dollars around the world. So how does this work? Well, you have your bracelet, and your bracelet connects to your phone, and then they have their bracelet connected to their phone. And if you tap your bracelet, it sends a message to your phone, to the totwoo app on your phone, that then sends a message to their phone and their totwoo app that then sends a little signal to the bracelet. So that's how it works. The bracelets aren't communicating directly with each other. They're communicating through your phone and therefore through the internet. Your phone has to be connected to Wi-Fi or data in order for this to work, but that's the process. So let's go through the setup process. So once you download the totwoo app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, first thing you're gonna have to do is create an account. You're gonna have to enter a phone number to do that. It's gonna send you a code, and then you'll set your password, and then you'll get your account set up and go into your account. Now, once you have set up an account, you're gonna be in the app, and you can see right there, it's add a partner. But before you add a partner, you have to add your device. Basically, you're adding your device in your app. Your partner is going to add their device in their app. And then you click add a partner, and you basically tell totwoo your partner's account, and then it connects together through the app. So that's kind of how it's working. So I'm going to go to the Me, and I'm going to go to connect my totwoo. And you can see you've got love and you've got meet. So we're going to go love. And now it's searching. Now I'm going to tap this to kind of get it going. And it's saying, would you like to pair this with your iPhone? Yes, pair. And you want to receive notifications? Yes, so I'm going to say allow. And it should now be connected. If we go to my two, you can see Morse Love is now connected. Okay, so now we're going to say we're on your loved one's Pixel phone. This is an Android phone, and they need to connect their bracelet. So you have to create an account or sign into the account you already have, and you can see it's letting you know that in order for this to work, you've got to make sure this can run in the background. A lot of phones, especially Android phones, they'll put if they have battery optimization checked, then they'll put the app to sleep. And so then your spouse taps their bracelet, it sends a message to their phone sends a message through totwoo to your phone, but your app's asleep and can't get it. So you have to make sure you set all that up correctly. So you can see you need to give notification permissions, ignore battery optimization, and background activity permissions. So we're going to do all that. Ignore battery. There we go. Let it run in the background. Okay, so now that we've got all that set up, we're going to go to Me. We're going to go to Manage My totwoo. And we're going to, this is an old bracelet that I had connected that I'm not using anymore. So I'm going to say Add. I'm going to say Confirm. I'm going to say Love. And I'm going to tap this, get it active. And you can see now it is connected. If I go here now, we're going to see you've got the Morse Love is connected. So that way you have it ready to go. Once you have the bracelets connected to both, now you need to connect to your loved one. And you do that by adding a partner. So you click Add a Partner, and then you enter the phone number that your spouse, your girlfriend, boyfriend, family member, whoever used to set up there. So I'm going to enter that. Then you set you select to send an invitation, it'll send the invitation, and then on their end, they accept the invitation, and then you're connected. Now back over on my iPhone and my bracelet, you can see that I got a message that someone wants to connect with me. And so that's the notification I got from my spouse's account. So I'm going to click agree. And now we are connected. Now, one thing I do want to show you is that if you go into manage my totwoo and you connect this, you've got different things you can set. So you can go to set the vibration intensity, because this vibrates with Morse code. It spells out love. The color you want it to be when you tap it. And it also can notify you of notifications, incoming calls. So that's kind of cool. And you can set up the color you want it to be when it notifies you of an incoming call or a notification. Then you have the love letter. And if you turn that on, you can set a special color that will flash whenever you get a love letter from your significant other. So I'm going to make it orange, and you can see it lights up orange because that is my favorite color. And you can set the vibration intensity as well. I'm going to take it down just a notch because I don't need it to be that intense. And there you go. So now this is all set up. Now once you have these both set up, you can be in anywhere in the world with your bracelet, as long as your bracelet is connected to your phone and your phone has a connection to the internet. And the other person can be anywhere in the world as long as their bracelet is connected to their phone and their phone is connected to the internet. And I'm going to tap this twice, and you can see it immediately is vibrating on the other person's phone. And twice is I believe, thinking of you. And in the app, you can change the colors and the vibration and that you get for each of those messages, and different taps will give different messages. So if I tap once and then long press, see how that's a little bit different. That's a different message, and it shows up differently on my phone. So on my phone, on my bracelet. So there's different messages that you can send by different taps. So in here you can see, if you click the send button, you'll see the different messages. And this is I love you. And you can tap the little edit icon, and it'll tell you to send I love you. You touch it, and then you long press it. And you can edit the color that goes with that. So whatever color you want it to be. So right now it's set to pink. You could change that to red if you want, and then save. And then there's different ones. So there's different things. This is I need you. And again, now you could send this straight from the app. You don't have to send it from your bracelet. If you're in the app, you can send messages straight from the app. But if I click edit, you can see this is only available, well, this one's only available in the app. And you can edit the color and change the color and the type of vibration for that. And then, so certain ones are available in the app, certain ones are available by touching thinking of you. So if you hit edit, you can see thinking of you. You touch it and then touch it again. So 2 taps will send thinking of you. And you can edit the color. And right now it's purple. I think that's cool. So let's leave it like that. So yeah, there's just different things that you can do. Now you can also send what's called a love letter. Let's see, here you go. So love letters. So if you create a love letter, you can create different love letters, a photo or an audio or a video, and you would send this, and they'll get a notification on their bracelet, whatever they've set up for love letters. They'll get that special notification, that color, and then they'll know to check their phone for this love letter from you. So that's how that works. But yeah, once you have it all set up, pretty easy to use, and as long as you have everything set up correctly, both bracelets communicate with each other, and they are able to send nice little messages anywhere in the world. As long as they are connected to your phone and your phone is connected to the internet, then you can, with a simple tap, send a message to your special someone in your life and let them know that you're thinking of them, that you love them, or whatever the case may be through the totwoo bracelets. That is it for the how-to video. There are links in the description below where you can purchase these directly from totwoo or on Amazon. So check those out. If you have any questions about these, just post it in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future video reviews. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.